What's up, YouTube? Okay, so doing a couple of things to the four-wheeler and the side-by-side here. Just wanted to give you guys a little view here of what we're doing. Okay, so we got the switch panel we're putting in right here where the warning labels used to be. And that's what it looks like on the front, obviously. So you got USB ports here. And then in the middle of that is a voltmeter. And then this is for voltage and amperage. So it'll tell me how much is drawn off all these switches. And then we got back here is what it looks like on the back side. So I'm putting it in an aluminum enclosure, and then this special gasket, liquid gasket stuff in here. And then obviously this is where it'll come, the wiring will come out. And then that has a cover, an aluminum cover that goes over it, that screws on, and that'll also have a liquid gasket over top of it. So the point of this is a couple of things. Number one, obviously, so we can keep an eye on the voltage of our battery, keep an eye on how much amperage draw we're getting from different things. Add some USB ports for, you know, stuff like charging cell phones or GPS or cameras or whatever. And then we'll have rock lights. One will control the rock lights. One will control the whip light, which is right here. And the other one will control the stereo. So instead of the stereo being just on with the ignition on, it'll have a switch over here. And that's the same for everything. Everything's going to have a switch now. This one will turn the whole panel on and off. And then that one will do the whip light, that one will do the rock light, and that one will do the stereo. So yeah, anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a little update on what we're doing. Some stuff we're working on. That's what we're working on right now. Trying to get the four-wheeler all done. Having to do that machine, that aluminum housing, was kind of a tough job. This box was actually quite a bit longer, almost twice as deep. So we had to cut that out, and then obviously we had to cut out inside of there to get the switches through. So that was kind of a pain. And then the holes, we had to drill new holes for the screws for the cover, tap those. I don't know if you guys can see that. But anyways, so yeah, that's what we're working on. No lights on it right now because obviously it's not wired up, but everything does work. Already kind of dummy wired it before we put the box on, but that's what we're working on. And then we're going to do the same thing with the side-by-side. We haven't even gotten to that yet, but we're going to do the same thing here. You guys probably can't even see what I'm doing, but right here and right here we'll have some switches. These ones aren't going to have an aluminum box, but they'll be right up here, and it'll be the same kind of switches. So yeah, so we're putting rock lights on the side-by-side, rock lights on the four-wheeler, and then we're doing the switches, and we added springs onto these. Hopefully it'll make it so that this part right in here doesn't wear out as fast. Anyways, yeah, that's what we're working on, and just thought we'd give you guys a little update, and we'll hit you again when she's done and see how it goes.
Trying to travel east.